For 20 years, e-commerce has trained us to follow the same path. Search for something, click a result, visit the store, add to cart, then check out. But AI is starting to remove steps from that journey. And if you're an e-commerce seller, that should get your attention. Instead of starting with a search box, shoppers can increasingly start with a conversation. They describe what they need, give AI their budget and preferences, and let the system narrow down the products. That changes the question for sellers. You're no longer competing only to rank number one. You're competing to be recommended. And here's where this gets really interesting. The checkout itself can start moving closer to the AI conversation. Google is already rolling out checkout in AI mode for eligible merchants. Shopify is building infrastructure for merchants to sell through AI shopping channels. So the e-commerce website may no longer be the only place where the transaction happens. This creates a completely different optimization problem. Your product doesn't just need to look good to a human shopper. The information around that product needs to be understandable to machines. If an AI agent can't confidently determine what your product is, who it's for, what it costs, and why it fits the customer's request, you have a visibility problem. You don't need to build an AI shopping agent tomorrow. But you absolutely should start making your catalog machine-readable, accurate, and easy to understand. Because the next version of e-commerce discovery may not send shoppers to 10 blue links. It may send them directly to 3 products and recommend one.